with the farmers directly.
Health Minister James Sangma on Thursday said that the protesting 108 employees should immediately resume service as it is affecting the people. The 108 EMRI workers have been on strike for over a week, demanding the state government to take over the services. The health minister said that nowhere in the country a state government runs the emergency 108 services, and it is always let out to private players. He, however, said that the concerns of the employees have been looked into and the government will float a new tender for another player to take over the running of the emergency services.
There is no state in the country that runs the 108 emergency medical response system uh, by the government. There's no state in the country. All of them have been outsourced to private parties, and even in the state of Meghalaya, this has been going on for the past so many years, where GVK has been running this 108 services. However, due to to many reasons, we have done an audit wherein we have found out that there have been many lapses, and in terms of the performance, it has not been up to the mark. And we are going for a fresh bid wherein we want to seek and see where we can get a better player to come and operate the 108 services.
Former Home Minister Robert Garnett linked